Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the chapter number 9, that is sequence and series of class 11. Okay, we are going to start the first exercise. The name of the chapter is written here, what? Sequences and series. Okay, sequences and series. This is the name of the chapter. As rest of the chapters has taught by you, by my co-teacher. Okay. Now we are going to start the chapter number 9, that is what? Sequences and series. What is a sequence and what is a series? Actually in class 10th, all of you have studied arithmetic progression. What is the arithmetic progression? When we will add something else or subtract to the number and we are getting the new numbers, then this series or such type of sequences are, this type of series is known as what? Arithmetic progression, no? Then these such type of series, if there is any relation, if there is no relation, then such type of series are known as what? Sequences. Now our first chapter is the approximately introduction of this exercise, this chapter also. Okay. Now we will start exercise 9.1, question number 1. Okay, read the first question. What is written here? Question is saying that write the following 5 terms of the sequences whose nth term is given here, what? An is equals to n into n plus 2. Means n into n plus 2. We have to find out first 5 terms. Means this is the nth term. Okay. If it is the nth term, when I will put at the place of n 1, then it will give us what? The first term. Okay. When you will put n equals to 2, then it will give you the second term. When you will put n equals to 3, then it will give you what? The third term. Okay. When you will put the values of n, you will get the terms, okay, respectively. Now we are going to, we have to find out what, we have to find out the first 5 terms, okay. That is the first I will write down what, it is written in the answer, it is written about what is the nth term is given by the question. That is an is equals to n into n plus 2. We will substitute at the place of n, that is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Because we have to find out 5 terms. That is why we will write down like this. Okay. We will write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the place of n. When we will put here n is equals to 1, we will get what? N equals to 1, we will get what? This. At the place of n, we have put it here 1. Okay. Here at the place of n, again we have put it here 1, and 2 is as it is because it is given in the question. That is why it will be what? 2 plus 1, that will be 3. 3 1, that will be what? Only and only 3. Okay. Now we will do what? We will go to the next part. Means now we will put what? We will put n equals to what? 2 I will put. Okay. We will put what? N equals to 2. Okay, here we will put n equals to 2, then you will get what? At the place of n, we will put it here 2. Here also I will put here what? 2. Okay, now what will be happen? 2 plus 2 will be what? 4. 4 to the, that will be what? 8. This is your answer. Same, you will put here n equals to 3, also put n equals to 3, that you will, it is, look at here, this is 3. At the place of n here, we will also put 3. 2 is a constant number that was given in the question. That is why we will write down as it is. Okay. Now what will be 3 plus 2? That will be 5. 5 3 will be what? 15 only. Okay. Now at the place of n, we will put here 4. Okay. That is why we will get what? Fourth term. Put n equals to 4. That is here at the place of n. Again we have put it here 4 plus 2 as it is because it is given in the question. That is why 4 plus 2, that will be 6. 6 4 ja, that will be what? 24. Means the fourth term is what? 24. Now we will put here n equals to what? 5. When I will put here n equals to 5, we will get what? Fifth term. This is the fifth term. Sorry, this is the fifth term. This is the fifth term. Okay. Now at the place of n, I have put here 5. Here also I have put here what? 5. 5 plus 2, you know that 7. 7 5 are what? That will be 35. Now these all are the terms. This is the first term, this is second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term. Yes, this is the fifth term. Okay. Now we have got what? We have got the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and the fifth term in the question number 1. Okay. If you want to understand it again, then you can understand. Okay, I'm going to revise it. Then please look at here very properly. The nth term is given here what? Nth term is given here what? nth term is given here, an is equals to n into n plus 2. We have to find out first 5 terms, means we have to put at the place of n 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 also. Okay. When you will put n equals to 1, you will get this 3, means this is the first term. When you will put here n equals to 2, you will get what? 8. 8 is the second term. When you will put in the given relation or given nth term, when you will put n equals to 3, you will get what? 15. That is why 15 is the third term of this sequence. When you will put here n equals to 4, you will get what? Fourth term. When you will get, you will put n equals to 5, you will get the next term, means you will get the fifth term. Okay. I think all of you have got it, that what I wanted to tell you. Now I am going to tell you the next question. Okay, that is the question number 2. Now look at here. What is written here? The question is saying the nth term is given here first. Nth term is given here what? This is the nth term. Nth term is given here what? N. The nth term is given here what? N upon n plus 1. N upon n plus 1. The question is saying to me what? The question is saying that write the first 5 terms of the sequences whose nth term is what? N plus 1. Sorry, n upon n plus 1. Nth term is given here what? N upon n plus 1. Okay, this is the what? Nth term. We have to find out what? First 5 terms, means again we will do the same. At the place of n, first we will put here what? At the place of n, we will first put here n equals to 1. Then after n equals to 2, I will put here. Then after n equals to 3, I will put. Then after n equals to 4 and 5. When you will put n equals to 1, you will get the first term. Okay, look at here. Put here n equals to 1, you will get what? 1 upon, at the place of n, I have put here 1, okay? And again 1 plus 1, that will be what? 1 upon 2. This is the first term. This is the first term that is written here. Okay. Now you will put here n equals to 2. When you will put here n equals to 2, means you will get what? 2 upon 2 plus 1. That will be what? 2 upon 3. This is the second term. Now you can check it from here also. Okay. Now we will put what? N equals to 3. I will put n equals to 3. Put here n equals to 3. Okay. You will get what? 3 upon n. At the place of n, I am putting 3. Okay. Now upon 3 plus 1, that will be what? 3 upon 4. This is the what? This is the third term. Okay. Now I will put at the place of n 4. I will put what? At the place of n, I will put here what? 4. Then we will get what? Put here 4 upon 4 plus 1. That will be what? 4 upon 5. This is the what? This is the fourth term, because I have put here what? At the place of n, I have put here 4. Look at here. This is the fourth term, 4 upon 5. Now what I will do? I will put n equals to 5. Put here n equals to 5. Then that will be 5 upon 5 plus 1. That will be 5 upon 6. Okay. Now dear students, what I have got that that is only that if I will put here the values of n, means when I will put n equals to 1, we will get the first term. When I will put n equals to 2, this is the second term. When I will get put n equals to 3, I will get the third term. When I will put n equals to 4, I will get fourth term. When I will put n equals to 5, I will get what? The fifth term. Okay. Now dear students, now we want to go to the next question. Okay, first of all, look and read this question properly. Again read the question. Write the first 5 terms, means you will have to put n equals to 1, n equals to 2, n equals to 3, n equals to 4, n equals to 5 to get 5 terms, first 5 terms. Okay. Whose nth term is given? Nth term is given here. Whose nth term is given here what? An is equals to n upon n plus 1. Means first you will put n at the place of n1. First you will put at the place of n1. You will get what? 1 upon 1 plus 1. That is 1 by 2. Put here at the place of n2. Okay. Then 2 upon 2 plus 1. That will be what? 2 upon 3. Put at the place of n3. You will get what? 3 upon 3 plus 1. That will be 3 by 4. Put here n equals to 4. Then 4 upon 4 plus 1. That is 4 upon 5. Okay. Put here at the place of n5. That will be what? 5 upon 5 plus 1. That will be 5 upon 6. So these all are the 5 terms. Okay, this is the first term 1 by 2, this is the second term 2 by 3, third term 3 by 4, fourth term 4 by 5, and the last term, that is the fifth term, as the question was asking to me, that is 5 by 6. Okay, dear student, I think you have got it. Now we will go to the next problem, that is the question number 3. Now look at here very properly and try to understand what I am telling to you. Okay, what I am saying, that you have to listen to me very properly, and secondly, try your best to take a book of NCERT, which exercise I am telling you. That exercise should be open in the book also. Okay, first you read the question, pause the video, then after understand what I am telling you. Okay, now I am going to the third question. What is written here? Write the first 5 terms. Write the first 5 terms of the sequence whose nth term is what? 2 is to power n. Whose nth term is what? 2 is to power n. First you will put n at the place of n what? You will get the first term 2 is to power 1. That will be what? 2 is to power 1. That will be what? Only 2. Okay, that will be what? Only 2. When you will put n is equals to 2, you will get the second term. Okay, put n equals to 2 here. You will get 2 is to square. That will be what? Only and only 4. That is means the second term is what? 4. The first term is what? That is 2. That is what? That is 2. Okay, students. Now you will put what? N equals to 3. You will put. Okay. You will put n equals to 3. Put here. Then a3 will be equals to what? 2 is to power 3. That will be what, student? That will be 8. Okay. At the place of n, when you will put 4, then you will get 2 is to power 4. That will be what? That will be 16. I think all of you are getting here. And that is also written here in the solution. Also, you can look at here. The nth term is given here. 2 is to power n. We have to find out the first 5 terms. Means we will have to put here the values of n as 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 5. Okay, students. Now put it here. When it is put here, n equals to 1, we will get 2 only. When we will put here n equals to 2, we will get what? 4. When I will put n equals to 3, we will get what? 8. When I will put here n equals to 4, we will get what? 16. When I will put at the place of n 5, we will get what? 32. Okay, therefore the required terms means the first term is what? 2, the second term is what? 4, the third term is what? 8, the fourth term is what? 16, the fifth term is what? 32. I think all of you have got it very properly. Okay, students. Now we will go to the question number 4. That is also very simple question. Then please look at here very properly and read the question. What is the question saying? Write the first 5 terms of the sequence whose nth term is given 2n minus 3 upon 6. We have to find out the first term, means n equals to, we will put 1. Okay, 2 into 1 minus 3, as the question is given, whole upon 6. That will be what? Only 2 under 2 minus 3. That will be minus 1 whole upon 6. This is the first term. You can check from here also. Okay. Now what will I do? At the place of n, I will put here 2. At the place of n, I will put here what? 2. Write down, we will get the second term. A2 is equals to what? 2 as it is. At the place of n, I have put here 2 minus 3 as it is, whole upon what? 6. You will get what, student? 2 2s are 4 minus 3 whole upon 6. That will be 1 by 6. Okay, that is the answer. You can check here. This is the second term. That is what? 1 by 6. Okay. Now you will get, you have to find out what the third term. If you have to find out the third term, means n equals, you will put here what? 3. Put here 3. Then a3 will be is equals to, a3 will be equals to 2 at the place of n, 3 minus 3 whole upon 6. Why minus 3? Because it is given in the question. Why upon 6? Because it is given in the question. But only I have put here n equals to 3 at the place of n only. Why? Because we have to find out the third term. Okay, dear students, please listen to me very carefully. Then only you will get get it very soon. Okay. Math is not a difficult subject, but you have to learn it very properly. This is very simple. Okay. Now we will put what I have put here what n equals to 3. We will get what? The third term. 2 3s are what? That will be 6 minus 3 whole upon 6. That will be what? 6 minus 3. That will be 3 by 6. If you want to cancel it, then 3 1s are and 3 2s are. You will get what? 1 by 2. This is your answer. This is what? This is the third term. Okay. Now look at here, as the solution is given here. What? This is the first term. That is minus 1 by 6. How we have got the first term? To put the value of n is equals to 1. We have to find out the second term, put n equals to 2. We have to find out the third term, put n equals to 3. And I know that all of you are all of you know that how to put the values of n. Okay, I think the rest of the questions are absolutely same. Okay, you will try your best to solve. If there will be any doubt, surely I will discuss with you.